back to another video. I'm gonna be working with Shake and Go today, doing a boho large twist on my hair. My hair is mostly like 30 on the top and then like 27 underneath. I got both packs, Shake and Go, pre-tress, pre-fluffed, perfect for twist locks, and crochet. This hair I'm using is called the Pop and Twist. Comes in 16, 20, 24, and 28 inches. This hair is super soft and it's so natural looking. It's a special tight spring curl. I'll use rubber bands for this hairstyle so that the root is seamless. I got inspired by someone. I'll insert her pictures as well because I really like how just free hers look. I'm sure hers are probably older, but I'm gonna try to get that style, you know, on first day. So this is just me getting my edges out of the way just so I can get that really loose, free kind of look. Y'all will see at the end basically what I'm trying to do, but yeah. Make sure the rubber band is up there, not too tight, because you don't want the rubber band to cause too much tension. Then crochet the pop and twist hair through my hair. So right here, I'm going to show you guys how to cover the rubber band. I'm also going to do a slow-mo on how to cover the rubber band in a few minutes. This is just a small snippet of me just showing you guys how to hide the rubber band when doing these twists. But I will be doing a slow-mo in just a few minutes. So when doing this style, I do, usually I don't use rubber bands really, but it just is making the style sleeker. And ever since I learned how to hide the rubber bands, I'm all for it. Make sure I show you guys a close-up of how I hide the rubber bands. So this is a section right here. We're gonna go ahead and rubber band it, but we're not going to, what's the word? We're not gonna like put the rubber band on tight. We're gonna want to put it like loose, you know, so we could fit that afro hair through it. So boom is on. Okay, I'm only using one piece through, and then I'm adding a second piece when I get, you know, down here and add to the twist. So I know y'all saw me put two before, but I'm only using one because I honestly saw that, you know, after twist it for a little while, they start to, like, you know, untwist a little bit, not unravel, but untwist a little bit, and that's what causes them to look like swelled, I guess you could say. So what I'm doing is just using one piece only, because it's gonna look thin when I'm twisting it, but then it's gonna like fluffen up, you know, once I let it go. Color 30 all on the top. I only use the color 27 on the bottom. I'm gonna count how many braids I have because y'all always ask me that, so don't judge me. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna crochet that through. Now when I said I'm using a second piece to extend, I'm actually taking one whole piece but putting, like, parting it in half. So I have one piece in my hair right now, then I'm gonna take a second piece and part that in half, and that's gonna help me extend this twist. I'm twisting this way. I'm gonna make sure that I wrap over my rubber band this way. Make sense? So obviously you can see the rubber band right here. I'm gonna take this hair on this side, hold this hair here, and wrap it. See how, like, I'm trying to cover the rubber band? I'm gonna wrap it once, then I'm gonna wrap it again, then I'm gonna go underneath with it and try to cover the rubber band, and then I'm gonna part this in half, and then I'm gonna start to twist so you can't see the rubber band. Period. So here's what we're gonna extend. We're gonna take that piece that we put in half and we're gonna put it right on top of where we was twisting. Make sure we hold that. Yeah. And we're just gonna keep literally twist the hair and then twist the hair together. So you're gonna wanna twist the hair and then twist it together. That's gonna get you to extend and add hair when you're twisting. But yeah, we're gonna twist this all the way down. I know this looks crazy right now, but I wanted it to be like a messy, natural kind of looking twist. I can't wait till these get old, so just bear with me, y'all. I wish I knew you wanted me. I feel like I should cut this. This is like excessively long. Y'all know one thing about me is I'm gonna cut my edges. I know y'all hate that, but it doesn't really bother me. does not bother me. I wish I knew you wanted me. Yeah, see how that's just like natural looking, whatever. And then when these get old, it's just it's gonna slap. I'm gonna come back with an update. It's gonna slap though. But this is the finished look. I'm trying to figure out if I want to dip these or not. I like how they're so lightweight. Ugh, I love that. Yeah, I think I like doing twists better with afro hair than I do with regular braiding hair. It just feels so much lighter and free, like, you know, it doesn't hurt. And I did my rubber bands pretty loose, so period. I love it. I'm probably gonna just spray water on my hair to moisturize it, and that'll probably get it to look older too, so love that. Yeah. All right, y'all, this might be the end of the video, but I might have some pictures and stuff to update y'all, or I might come back on camera. So if this isn't the end, there'll be more. So